Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, sizokhumbula ukuthi ngenyanga ephelile mhlambe umhla ka-19 noma 20 i-budget speech yahlehla ngenxa yokuthi i-DA ne-ANC yayingavumelani ngoba i-ANC yayithi akhuphuka i-VAT ngo-2% isuke kusuka ku-15% iye ku-17 kodwa i-DA ithi akungakhuphuka i-VAT at all. Manje kula maviki adlule bekulokukhulunywa indaba ye-VAT ngoba ize yathi i-ANC izomane ihlangane ikhulume ne-EFF ukuthi i-support ukuze bayikhuphule ngo-0.75 i-VAT. Ngosuku lanamuhla-ke usuku la uMinister Enoch Godongwana asithethulele khona-ke i-budget speech. Ngisingakangeni-ke kwi-budget speech nakwi-VAT nakuzo zonke izinto, kodwa into engifisa ukuyenza la ukuveza ukuthi igcine indaba ye-VAT imi kanjani, a-reacthe kanjani ama-political parties nge-budget speech akhulume ngayo uMinister. Sizoqala-ke sizwe indaba zama-grants ukuthi zimi kanjani, ama-social grants nje wonke, whether yezalukazi, yabantwana, foster care, nale SRD, i-social relief distress grant, ukuthi yena ugcine emise kanjani. Ngiyacela-ke subscribe ku-channel, like i-video, comment, ngifisa ukuzwa ukubona ukuthi wena ubona kanjani.
Honorable members, social grants are allocated 284.7 billion rand in 25-26. This allows us to increase the old age grant, disability grant by 130 rand. Now let me tell you a story. I was working here in Waterfront. An old man comes to me and he says, "Thanks for the 150, but the 150 now is gone." He says, "But I don't need VAT." Now, because of the reduction in the VAT, I had to reduce the 150 to 130. The child support grant by 30 rand. The foster care grant by 70 rand. The COVID-19 social relief in its current form will be extended by a year to March 2026. 35.52 billion rand is allocated for this purpose. Let me correct correct a myth here. A myth that suggests that I'm trying to pose as two alternatives is either VAT or SRD. Didn't say that. What I did say is that the SRD has been a temporary grant. We have been debating to find a funding source for it so that it should not continue to crowd other spending. What we are attempting to do is to stabilize exactly that, to make sure that this grant is not only sustained, but it also does not crowd out other spending. We go on in this speech and in the previous one that leaked. Same sentence. As announced by the President in the State of the National Address, the SRD will be used as a basis for the introduction of sustainable form of income support for unemployed people. The future form and nature of the SRD will be informed by the outcome of the review of the active labor market policy program. This is expected to be completed by September 2025.
Aqala ngakho ukulungisa la uMinister ile nkulumo ebikhona la kwabezindaba ethi it's either ukhuphula i-VAT noma ukhatha SRD grant. Uthi-ke yena akakushongo lokho, kodwa bathe kufuneka babe nendlela yokwazi ukuthi kube nendlela yokwenza imali ukuze bezoqhubeka ukwenza grant, ukukhipha nama grant. Futhi le grant yayenziwe ya temporary ngalesa sikhathi se-COVID. Ama grant ke ami kanjeni. I-grant yabantu abakhulile nabane disability, old age nama disability, izokhuphuka ngo-130 rand. Bese kuthi child support grant yona ikhuphuke ngo-30 rand. Bese kuthi foster care grant ikhuphuke ngo-70 rand. ukuthi SRD izophela ngoMarch ngonyaka ka-2026. Ilokhu kuMinister asichazele khona namuhla kwi-budget mayelana nama-grant noma imali zempesheni. Odabeni-ke belokulindelwe wonke umuntu le-VAT, bagcine bedecide ukuthi i-VAT izokhuphuka ngo-0.5% kunyaka ka-2025-26, bese kuthi futhi ngonyaka ka-2026-27 iphinde ikhuphuke ngo-0.5, okuzwenza ukuthi ngo-2027-28 iyobe seyiwu-16%. Ilapho-ke ama-political parties a-reacta khona. Sizocaphuna-ke i-EFF sizwe ukuthi yona ngokubona kwayo ithini ngale proposal ebekwe uminister la. Emveni kwalapho sicaphune ubaba uJohn Mandla Dr. Hlophe sizwe ukuthi yena uthini. Ngoba i-DA iphumela obala nje athi yona ihambisani nje nalokuthi ikhuphuka, ayifundi ukuthi kukhulunywe kuthiwa kukhona i-VAT ekhushulwayo ngoba leyo nto izocindezela abantu abahluphekileyo. Kodwa sike sakhuluma ngaphambilini ngoba ikuvezile i-DA ukuthi i-ANC ayibakhathalele abantu abahluphekileyo. Ngicela ukucaphuna i-EFF sizwe ukuthi izothini yona ngoba vele i-ANC yayithe ngoba i-DA iyaphikisana nabo bazokhulumisana ne-EFF bezwe ukuthi bona ithini. Ngabe i-EFF izoyivuma nalento noma cha kasaza sizwe ukuthi utheni ke uCIC.
And 0.5 next year, which would lead to 16%. They ran out of ideas on how to generate revenue for the state. This is not an instruction to Parliament. In terms of Public Management Finance Act, he's allowed to come and make a proposal according to Section 27 of that Act. And then we must then be allowed through committees to engage on this matter and come back and debate it here and adopt it here. We will not support any form of increase on VAT. We agree that we need to protect SRD, we agree that we need to invest in infrastructure, but let's test the rich. Let the corporate tax be increased. Let there be tax on the wealthy people of South Africa who buy buffaloes for 22 million. Those people should be made to pay and finance the social responsibilities of the state.
KuCIC nangu ngekuveza ukuthi cha uyakuzwa kushiwo uminister futhi ahambelani nokuthi kukhushule i-VAT. Kungcono kutaxwe labantu i-corporate tax ikhuphuke kuphinde kutaxwe kakhulu kube abantu laba abacebile ngoba labantu bayakwazi ukuthenga inyathi zo 26 million. Ukuthi labantu banayo imali kufuneka ba-contribute kwi-finance la eSouth Africa ngoba nabo ibona abantu labo efuna bakhushulelwe i-tax yabo ngoba banayo imali kungacindezelwa abantu abahluphekile. Akagcinanga lapho uCIC bambuzile ukuthi ukusuka la yini ezokwenzeka. Ngicela uzwe la.
Going to make sure that as through our participation in the finance committee, we amend this budget and redirect the monies that want to be achieved through increase of VAT into corporate tax and taxing the wealthy ones. In terms of the law, we are allowed as this parliament to change this budget. It was in the past 10 years or 16 years ago where we were not allowed to change the budget, but we've since made amendment to those laws, and now Parliament cannot be used as a rubber stamp. Parliament can change and amend the budget, and that's what we are going to do with trade-offs.
Uthi-ke uCIC njengeParliament kuma committee we-finance banelungelo lokuthi bayi-amende i-budget. Lento yayenzeka 16 years ago ukuthi bengakwazi ukuthi bayi-amend ibudget kwakufuneka bayamukele njengoba injalo kodwa sebayi-amend umthetho manje kuma channels lawa right bazoyiphikisa lento bayi-amende le budget ngoba abavumi ukuthi kukhushulwe i-VAT. Ngcono kukhuphuke i-corporate tax kuphinde kukhuphuke i-wealth tax. Kuyibona abantu laba efuneka ba-taxwe hayi ukuthi kukhuphuke i-VAT ngoba izo-affect abantu. Ilokhu akushoyo uCIC esesikulindeleke ukuthi kuma committee la we-finance bazohlangana ama-political parties akhulume ayi-amend bazobeka ngokwehlukahlukana bese kuyavotwa. Ngizocaphuna manje ubaba Dr. John Mandla Isehlophe sizoyibona njengomkhonto wesizwe party batheni bukuthini ukubona kwabo mayelana nodaba lokukhushulwa kweVAT.
In our considered view as the MK party, the minister had a number of options to explore, but the option that the minister chose, in our view, is a wrong one. Increasing VAT by any percentage is disastrous. To increase it by 0.5% this year and next year as well, the people who are going to suffer most are black people. These are the people who pay VAT, and we are going to suffer most.
The question really on your statement, what other options did he have in your view?
There were a number of options. Wealth tax, for example, is very important. There are many tycoons here who should be paying wealth tax. There is no reason why we should not increase wealth tax. The other option is to increase corporate tax. It is a viable option in our view. There are other options. Capacitate SARS and make SARS better able to collect revenue. There are so many people who are getting away with murder, who are not paying their tax. That, in our considered view, would generate a lot of revenue, as opposed to increasing VAT by 0.5%, which no doubt will affect so many people, particularly the poorest of the poor. So from that point of view, the budget speech was a huge disappointment.
Nobaba ke la uThumbeza uhlopha usho kufanayo nalokho kushuwe iEFF kunabo abayemukeli ibudget speech futhi zikhona ezinye indlela abeka ngenza ngayo minister kodwa uziyekile zonke lezi ezinye wayesekhetha yena ukukhuphula iVAT kanti naye funeke akhuphe ama options amanye akhona ukuthi akhuphule iwealth tax ku tax abantu abanothile noma abacebile nokuthi kukhushulwe icorporate tax. Iyona into efuneka ikhushulwe kuye kwiVAT ngoba iVAT izocindezela abantu abamnyama okuyibona abahluphekile. Usho njalo ubaba la uThumbeza ilokho okufana nce nokushiwe iEFF asiphinde simcaphune okugcina.
Speak for the MK party, we will definitely reject the budget in its entirety, particularly as it relates to the VAT increase. As for the ANC, I cannot speak for the ANC. They will decide what to do as a party. I can only speak for our party, which is Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, the official opposition party in this country. Whatever happens to the ANC camp, it is none of our making. It is of no interest to us.
So this is
Lana ke uDr. Hlophe bebuziwe ukuthi mayicabanga iANC izokwazi na ukuthi ithola abantu abazoyisupporta kule budget njengoba ethi yena uzokhulumela umkhonto wesizwe party angeke ayikhulumele ANC futhi naye uthi njengoba ishili iEFF bazophikisana nale budget ikakhulukazi kulesigaba sokukhushulwa kweVAT kusho ukuthi nabo bazobe bekuleqembe lithi ayi-amendwe ibudget le ingabi njengoba injalo. Sizozwa ke ngabo ngoba mabekhuphule kusho ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo nje iyobe seyi16% uma ngase beyivuma kodwa uma bengayivumanga ke ya-amendwa sesozwa ngabo ke uma sebedlulile kodwa sizoni-update ngokho konke okwenzakalayo. Ngiyacela subscribe ku channel, like ivideo, comment ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kuyo yonke lento le. Noma besikulindeleke noma yini kodwa iANC iliprovile point. Nalabo bebethi iANC ayibakhathalela abantu iba prove right ngoba iqhubekile yakhuphula nokuproposa ukukhuphula iVAT ngoba phela ayikakhuphuki manje sese iproposal uma isivunywe eParliament yobe seyikhupha ngokusemthethweni kodwa iANC isamile ekuthenini ayikhushule iVAT ayikhushule intela etaxwa abantu. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho kwi-comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kodwa lokho ngikubuka kungekuhle kuzama local election ngonyaka ozayo. ANC angazi noma icabangile nalokho nabantu nje abazoyivotela bebebona ukuthi iyaqhubeka nokubacindezela babe becabangani vele. Hayi angiphawuli lutho mina ngikuthulela nje izindaba ngizimele angithathe ihlangothi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.